Where's your ice box?
Where's the punch? Toaster, toaster.
Who's to blame when parties really get out of hand? Who's to blame when they get poorly planned? Crashes get bombed, slobs make a mess. You know sometimes they'll leave it dirty like stress.
Crashes getting by.
Who's to blame?
Can you pull it back line? Can you salvage the time?
What can you do? Save a party, or chasing charade, a spur of the moment, scavenger hunt, or queen of the night. Bomb, pressure's getting bomb, pressure's getting bomb, bomb, bomb. Who's to blame? Who's to blame when situations degenerate? Disgusting things you never anticipate. People get sick, they play the wrong game. You know, it could ruin your name.
Crashes getting by.
Who's to blame?
Can you pull it back line? Can you salvage the time?
It shouldn't be difficult. Try not to condemn.
Okay, doing pizza. I will tackle when making the round.
Be tactful when making the rounds, and maybe you can save a party gone out of bounds. Party gone out of bounds.
I would say I'm sorry if I thought that it would change your mind. But I know that this time I have said too much, been too unkind. I try to laugh about it, cover it all up with lies. I try to laugh about it, hiding the tears in my eyes. 'Cause boys don't cry. Boys don't cry. I would break down, beg forgiveness, plead with you. But I know that it's too late now. Now there's no
Što ti je? Jel te sasjeklo?
Is all my brain and body need. Sex and drugs and rock and roll. It's very good indeed. Keep your secrets. The wisdom of your ways. I've been there and I know lots of other ways. What a jolly bad show. If all you ever do is business you don't like. Sex and drugs and
Dobro.
rock and roll.
Sestro, stavite kavu.
Sex and drugs and rock and roll.
Dužu, potrajaće.
Sex and drugs
U redu, svi prsti su na mjestu. Nije ti ništa, dečko, nije ti ništa.
to make you pretty. You can cut the clothing. Grey is such a pity.
Dečki, šta se to desilo? Šta ste se opet zezali?
Stisko je prišteve pa je pretjerao. Pretjerao je, prljave prste imao i nokte je čistio, školjke mački, a mačka ne voli ono crno, pa je samo onu sredinu jer je mali ming što ide kad ga baciš u kadu u toplu vodu. Samo to.
Jeste se možda sa petardama igrali?
Nije, ma kakve petarde, ma nema veze s time petardama, pa vidite kakav mi je nos, pa što može petarda napraviti? Pa nije to dječja igračka, to je petarda, to je dječja igračka, to nije petarda.
Jel vi to lažete ili ste se stvarno igrali s petardama?
Pa nije se tuko s fundamentima ko će seći šumu, nije on gradonačelnikov sin. Je, ali još mu nije stari gradonačelnik, ni stara mu nije gradonačelnica, ni baba mu nije gradonačelnica.
Je to istina ili je stvarno laž? Nema tablete za petarde, ni heptanona, ni ljepila.
Šta kopu? Pa zlato je traži, šta? Vi kad kopate šta tražite? Šmrklje? Ko još ima šmrklje u nosu danas?
Nos na patologiju, tijelo na traumatologiju.
A treba vratiti restakara, ako će platiti vozu, ako nisam bojler.
Biće sve okej.
Možete se skinuti, sam?
Biće, da. Biće sve okej. Evo, biće sve okej.
Diši?
Biće sve. Diši, o.
Kažem ja.
Kažem, a ja kažem Amerika.
Kažite, a?
A! Da, i onako imam još koji sekund.
Da, ne. Pašta je u drugoj. Ne, prvo šugo. Ma ne, paštu.
Diši, bit će sve u redu. Dva srca, još jedno za 3.
Okej, fuži.
What we want and the future.